Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be talking to you about some of my goals for 2021, and I'm going to be talking about how we can make this year the best possible year for us to grow as individuals. Before we get started, subscribe. You already know I'm gonna post content. You're gonna subscribe and share with all your friends, and you already know the whole shebang. We have a goal of reaching 6,000, that would be great, 600 subscribers by the ending of February. I know we can do it because you guys just love me and I love all of you. So let me just put this on because I want this to be a very comfortable video. I feel like I always dress up and this is not what I look like all the time, I promise you that. Anyways, I really wanted to spread some positivity in this week's video because I feel like every video always has a theme and it's always a routine. Like, oh, I'm gonna show you what I got for Christmas. Oh, I'm gonna show you my night routine. But I feel like it's never on a personal level, and my personal level videos hit different. So if you want to see more videos like this, please request them in the comment section below. DM me, let me know. Follow all my social media so you can be active and we can just get it kicking, get it rolling. You already know. So we're gonna talk about some of my goals for 2021. One goal I really have is to reach 1,000 subscribers. I know it's not that big of a deal, but for me, like, that's a big deal. That's a really big deal, because with me content creating, it's always a tough situation, but it's something that I really enjoy doing, and I never really try to force myself to, oh my gosh, I need to film a video. It's kind of just, oh, I have some free time, let me film a video. Because, you know, it's a hobby. I'm not really trying to make it into a career so quickly. Like, you know, it would be really nice if I could eventually, but it's not my number one priority. Like, my number one priority for YouTube is to just make videos that I would enjoy watching and seeing myself grow throughout all of these videos. So that would be one of my goals. Another goal I really want to reach in the year of 2021 is purchasing my own car. I do at the moment have my permit. I should get my junior license by May, but I would really love to like purchase my own car. I do currently work part-time job at CVS, and you know, we all have to start somewhere. So I'm starting at CVS with my little paycheck, saving it to the side, because you know how much of a flex that would be to be able to say, yeah, I bought my car. Well, like, I'm gonna get help from my parents, but I want to contribute to, you know, buying my car, because that's a big deal. But obviously I need to get my license first. I'm gonna have my license, but mark my words, I'm gonna have a car by June. I'm gonna have a car by June. You guys are gonna see me, and I'm gonna be doing my playlist videos in the car. I'm gonna be with my friends in the car. I'm gonna be with my boo in the car, and you already know. Guys, do you like my new bed? I feel like it's so fire. This goal is also just an example. If you really want something, go get it. Like, that's my mindset for this entire year. If I really want something, I'm gonna go get it. And that's not only gonna be my mindset for this year. It's my mindset for the rest of my life. If I really want something, I'm gonna go get it, because who's stopping me but myself, you know? If I sound like a little nasally, it's my nose is stuffed. I also wanted to talk about, you know, putting myself first. I always put myself first, and you guys should always put yourself first, because at the end of the day, who is more important than yourself? Come on. I'll wait for you guys to give me a valid answer. Ooh. I feel like it's really important to love yourself so that you can love other people. Like, personally, if you don't love yourself, how do you expect you to give, like, perfect, not even perfect love? Like, a good type of love. Not that toxic love. Not that love you guys be normalizing that is toxic. The love that it comes unexpected and it's just, you know, it feels perfect. Like, you don't even have to. You're like, wow, this is really what I needed. And it doesn't even have to be from a significant other. It could literally be from your parents, because if you receive that love from your parents, which you should, because it's that's that I stuttered. That's that unconditional love that you get from family regardless. It should be something that's necessary. So make sure you love yourself in order to have all that love around you, because when you have all of that love around you, you can definitely prosper and do so many things with your life. And that goes into my next goal, which is to just, you know, take risks and learn more. I really want to learn more. I feel like I say this every year, but I would love to learn more. I learned so many things in 2020. No matter how crappy the year was, I learned a lot. And it's good to learn. It's okay if you don't get a lot of things done. Learn so you can get those things done in the future. It really makes a big difference. As you guys know, I want to become a marketer. I want to have some type of marketing agency in the future. I want to be a marketing manager for a company at first, and then, you know, start with my own, because it's very important to me that I could be my own boss and do things for myself. Let me put you guys on. I've been listening to podcasts lately, and I listened to social media marketing podcast by Michael Stelzner. He's a social media marketer, and he does these podcasts amazing. I'll link one of them down below if I can. I don't really know how to do any of that, but he has some really good ones. I was watching ones on Snapchat ads the other day, and personally it opened my eyes a lot, because I didn't know a lot about that. And I did take a marketing course in from October to December with a college in my town or whatever. But you know, it's always good to start somewhere. I know I'm only a junior in high school, but if I really want this to be something I want to do, then I like to do research on it for fun. So those were all my goals for 2021, and I feel like those are a good amount of goals. It's okay to have a lot of goals, because at the end of the day, it's your life and you can have as many as you want, because it's up to you if you'll accomplish them. And it's up to me if I'm gonna accomplish these goals. And this video right now is living proof that if I don't accomplish them, there's always next year and the year after that. But you know what? I'm gonna work hard. Even if I complain, even if I want to give up, I'm gonna try my best to reach these goals, and I'm gonna reach it. I'm gonna manifest it. Not with all these crystals and all this stuff. I'm just gonna do what I have to do. Another goal that I didn't really mention, but I also just wanted to talk to you guys about it, is always look on the bright side of things. Tell that person you love them. Do all those things, because you never know when your life can be cut short. Appreciate life around you. Like, that's basically all I'm trying to say. If you're having a bad day, somehow make it into a good day. The littlest things can make your bad day into a good day. And I feel like we fail to appreciate that, because we're so caught up with everything else that's going on in the world. But yeah, and I feel like it's sad to say that we have to wait for something tragic to happen for us to realize, like, damn, we're not really appreciating life, and we're just, you know, living day by day, but being so negative about things. And I just feel like that's not how life should go at all. Personally, something tragic like did happen for me to realize, like, damn, I need to appreciate life more. I need to be a little more happier. I need to be more involved with my family. Like, don't get me wrong, I'm really involved with my family, but even more to have that emotional connection with the people around me. But yeah, if you guys enjoy these personal videos, just give it a thumbs up. You know, talk to me in the comments. I feel like my comments be dry, so talk to me in the comments. That would be nice if you made it to this point in the video. Follow all my social medias. If you guys want to see more of these videos, let me know, because I enjoy doing personal videos, and I feel like that's where my channel is really drawn to, because I like being that person to talk to you guys. Right now we're talking, we're having a good time, we're chillaxing. I bet you're on your bed right now too, because look at my bed. I love you guys all so much. Subscribe. I hope this video made your day a little better, and yeah, see you on the flip side. Bye.